Alright, so we are ready to shooting. I am loaded with 8 pellets, JSB Exact Diablo, and it is really close distance. This is the test only, so I put the laser possibly back, so this give me an good fighting. So turn on the laser, reload, and rock and roll. Okay, that was the last one. So on this really close distance, we got all of this here. Yeah, so it is bad setup for this distance. Okay, so let's do reload. Okay, so now we are after shooting. As you can see, something's really bad happened after the first shot. It may be not seen on this head camera, but before the first shoot I do something like this. I put the laser maximum to the end, and this causes that the laser has been flipped out. So the first shot was good on this distance, but after it the bullets hits above the laser point. And now I'll explain you how this happened, and it will be a little theory, but I think it is interesting because basically it is important according to the lasers and also according to the scopes. If you are calibrating scopes or lasers, this is exactly the same principle. So I was calibrating this laser to 10 meters, and now I will draw. I think this, okay, it's quite visible. This is our gun symbol. Okay, so here is when the bullet comes from and hits our target. So this is bullet. Okay? If you hold the gun, the bullet comes and hits the target, and it's moving exactly parallel to the gun. To be exact, it comes directly from the barrel. So it is exactly in parallel to the barrel. And now we have a laser which is mounted under the barrel, or scope. This is the same principle, which is mounted above the barrel. Okay? So if you are talking about setting up 0 to laser or setting up 0 to scope, it means that in some distance, for example 10 meters, you set up the laser to hit the same point when the bullets come, or the same point when the scopes looks. Do some zooming now to be more clear. Let's leave the scope for a moment, because exactly the same principle is for scope and for the laser. So as you can see, bullet comes here and the laser comes here, and this is when you set up, when you calibrate proper laser to some distance, to 10 points. So when I shoot for the first time, I pushed the laser back and it do something like this. So here is my 2 meters distance. Okay. And the first shot, the laser has been moved by me in this position. So it was exactly matched with the first shot. But in normal situation, after the second shot and rest, all the bullets hit above the pointing target. Why? Why? Because the pointing target is exactly here. It is above, because the laser is 0 on the 10 meters. And if you are closing the distance, the more gap you will have here. Okay? So this is really simple. If you are shooting very close to the barrel, you will get the most significant difference, the most significant gap. This is the laser. I forget the label. So, of course, in such distances, we forget about the ballistics. I assume that the bullet is coming in parallel from the barrel to the target. This is some kind of simplifying the problem, but for calibrating lasers to closer distance like 10 meters, it is true. So the ballistics is parallel to the barrel inside the gun, but the laser is always on some angle. Okay, I think it's clear now. If you have any questions or the discussion you want to do, please give a comment. Thanks for watching and see you later.